air frying smile potatoes to go with my eggs this morning. I'm not gonna eat all those, but part of them. And I put them in on the preheat mode because I forgot that this thing preheats first, but they'll be okay. So, and that is tape that's on there. And there's a little dent right there. The door don't close quite all the way, which I have to tell them about that. But it works and everything. So, oh, the light just turned off. And the light does not stay on. It stays on long enough for you to check your food, and then it turns off. So, but anyway, we're in the preheat mode. Air fry.